I'll share with you today how I made this sumptuous chicken curry sauce. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken drop. Ouch, it's stuck. And now I've succeeded in splitting them. I'll go ahead to cut to my desired sizes. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now I'm done cutting. I'll wash with salt for multiple times to get rid of the germs. I took them to the pot, added some onion. While chopping my fresh pepper, I added some fresh garlic and chopped them together. Added some bouillon, some salt. Next, I'll be adding some curry powder. Next, I'll be adding some rosemary leaves, some parsley flakes. I'll stir the pot and I wouldn't be adding any water. Oh, okay, let's rinse our chopper. I rinsed my chopper using just a little water, cover the pot and cook on a medium heat for about 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, I went ahead to scoop some portion of my basmati rice. I'll be washing my basmati rice multiple times to get rid of the starch. Remember, you don't pre-cook your basmati, you just wash multiple times in order for it not to be sticky. I'll wash until the water runs clear. At this point, our rice is ready. I went to check our protein and our protein is done, so I added some more water. Remember, the amount of water you'll be adding is determinant on the amount of curry sauce you want to have. For me, this is the amount of curry sauce I want to have, so I went ahead to add that amount of water. Give it a quick stir, and now I've dissolved some cornstarch, added our cornstarch. Added some premium oyster sauce. And next, I'll be adding our blended sesame oil, some salt to taste, our carrots. At this point, I'm cooking on a very high heat. I don't want my vegetables to sweat out its own moisture, and I'll be cooking them for just 1 minute. I added some onion, gave it a quick stir, and 1 minute later, I've turned down the heat. Our vegetable retained its crunchiness and also its nutrients. There won't be need to overcook your vegetables. And now I added our spring onion. The heat from the food or our sauce will do the remaining cooking. Remember, once your curry sauce or chicken curry sauce cools down, it will thicken pretty much ×2 what it was when it was on the fire. So do not be deceived with the look. It thickens over time. And now we are done cooking. Look at the face of that food. If you like what you've watched, please do not forget to give me a subscription to get notified when I post new videos. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you so much for being our family. Please do not forget to subscribe. Okay? And do not forget to share. Let me know down the comment section if there are other methods, other ways of cooking your chicken curry sauce. Thank you so much, and please do not go away without hitting that subscription button. I appreciate you all. Thank you for being part of me, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.